Alright folks, so first off, Happy New Year to everyone who watches the channel and who has subscribed. And it is January 9th today, and we've had snow, drizzle, and whatever Mother Nature wants to throw at us. We did have a brown Christmas, and we had traces of snow, but we had no real snow right up until this past Saturday and Sunday, so January 6th and January 7th, and we had one day of reprieve. But even with that snow that we got on the 6th and the 7th, we actually had drizzle mixed. So last night about 7:30, 8 o'clock, it was actually raining / drizzling with the snow. So this morning I measured a whopping 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch of snow. However, underneath that snow it was clear ice. So this afternoon and this morning we had some snow continuing. This evening, however, we had some more rain and drizzle happening here in Thunder Bay. Current temperature is -4 degrees centigrade. So yeah, it's a very bizarre and very strange winter, but we're going to get cold here in the next couple days, or colder, because we've been not even close to being cold yet. And like I said, it's been drizzling tonight, and we may see a little bit more snow before the evening, before everything stops here this evening. So we'll see what happens, but we've had the shovels out this morning. I think I posted a video earlier this morning. So we've had the shovels out, we've had the quad out with the plow, and of course we've had the plow truck out. So that's what it takes to get things cleaned up here in the wintertime here in northwestern Ontario. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a short video of me doing a little bit of cleanup outside. So take care, stay safe, and watch out for the other person, because the other person may not be watching out for you, especially when it's crappy road conditions like it is today with all the slush and the slop and everything that's out there. And you know what? The crews on the highway are doing their best, as they always do, with what they have. Take care, folks. 7-3. All right, now to go get the plow, the big truck.